Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple steps to check your credit score on Credit Karma for free. Credit Karma is a fantastic resource that provides not only your credit score, but also insights into your credit report. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Credit Karma website or app. Begin by navigating to the Credit Karma website at www.creditkarma.com or open the Credit Karma app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign up or log in. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide some personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. If you already have an account, click on Login and enter your credentials. Step 3. Agree to the terms. After signing up or logging in, you may need to agree to Credit Karma's terms of service. Make sure to read through the agreement and then click Agree to proceed. Step 4. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your information, Credit Karma will require you to verify your identity. This process may involve answering security questions or providing additional personal details. Step 5. Access your dashboard. Once you've verified your identity, you will be directed to your Credit Karma dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your credit score prominently displayed at the top of the page. Step 6. Review your credit score. Click on the score to delve deeper. You can see not just your score, but also the factors that influence it. Credit Karma provides a breakdown of your credit utilization, payment history, and other key elements. Step 7. Explore additional features. Take advantage of the other features Credit Karma offers, such as personalized financial recommendations, credit monitoring alerts, and tips for improving your credit score. Remember, checking your credit score with Credit Karma doesn't affect your credit score, so feel free to look it up whenever you like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy credit checking!